looking out to the Atlantic. Another beautiful day where the sun is still out. Sun is dodging away from all the tourists who are here for sun. That smart sun is making you feel lazy, right? When it's behind those clouds, somehow you have to go find the sun. You had to go and find your own energy, regardless of the sun, because ultimately you are costing the sun and the earth a lot. So it is time that you work towards the earth's well-being, because it has been working for your well-being ever since a birth of your life. And it's realizing the existence has been compromised. The planet has been compromised, and its health and well-being has been compromised. Each of those waves that are flapping on the coastline makes a new, renewed, all-inclusive life. Those water that's hitting on the rocks, making those white foam, means the structure of that water has been changed with the forces of nature. It's amazing, don't you think, when you think like that? Or when you can think like that, to see how beautiful the Mother Nature creates its life with wind, with waves, with natural forces that are, just imagine the amount of forces that are involved there. The geometry, the perfection, alignment. Anyhow, that's the way nature exists. It is time that we align our life with the nature and its creation, and become all inclusive and embrace the natural form, or don't take any form or identity. Just become like the water, flow as the day and the life progress.
Blue Health.
Blue Health, best hotels. Cuidamos. Be careful. Sanitize your fingers, sanitize your hands, sanitize your face, wear a face mask. If you're ugly or otherwise, it's that time of the times dictate as to what we should be doing, regardless of what you do and what your title or what you are entitled to. Your significance in your head should not
And these are masks.
damage the health and well-being of others and the environment around
These
you.
are masks from